Okay, so good morning. So let's have the introduction of what is angle of elevation and angle of depression. So here are the objectives that we need to obtain at the end of our discussion. So you have to differentiate angle of elevation and angle of depression, followed by determining the line of sight, the angle of elevation, and the angle of depression in a given illustration. And of course, you have to know how to solve problems that involving angle of elevation and angle of depression. So this video is only for first part wherein you have to differentiate the angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, so when we say angle of elevation or angle of depression, these are the methods that ginagamit ng mga surveyors using special equipment to determine the exact measurement in measuring things that are difficult to measure. So, di ba minsan, we have something na kailangan nating makuha yung measurement, pero kailangan may gamitin tayong equipment para makuha natin yung exact measurement. So, some of those gumagamit ng application ng angle of elevation or angle of depression are the surveyors po. Okay, so here are the important things that we need to understand kapag pinag-usapan natin itong angle of elevation and angle of depression. So, una, you should know the line of sight. Dapat alam po ninyo ano po ba itong line of sight. Of course, ano po ba itong angle of elevation. And of course, this angle of depression. So, let's start with identifying or familiarizing with this term, line of sight. So, according to its definition, this is an imaginary line that connects the eye of an observer to the object that is being observed. Line of sight. Okay. So, if this is the observer or the eye of the observer, so this line of the observer is what we called the horizontal line of sight. Okay? Pag naman po sinabi nating line of sight, ito po yung imaginary line that could connect the eye of the observer papunta doon sa object that is being observed. It can be above the horizontal line of sight or below. Depende kung nasan po yung object na tititignan ng observer. So let's say for example, ito po yung line of sight above the observer if the object being observed is above the horizontal line of sight. While this is the horizontal or the line of sight below the observer if the object being observed by the observer is below the horizontal line of sight. Okay? So again, pag sinabi nating line of sight, ito yung imaginary line na nagko-connect sa mata or sa eye ng observer papunta doon sa object na ino-observe niya. So it can be above the observer or it can be below the observer. Next is the angle of elevation. So, pag sinabi nating angle of elevation, ito naman po yung angle na na-form sa pagitan ng horizontal line of sight at line of sight ng observer to the object above. Okay? So, again, ito yung horizontal line of sight. Okay? So, may ma-form sila dyan na angle of elevation sa pagitan nila ng line of sight ng observer papunta doon sa object na above horizontal line of sight. So, ito po yung angle of elevation. Okay, nakita po ba? Ito yung horizontal line of sight, ito yung line of sight above the observer. This angle na na-form, ito po yung tinatawag natin na angle of elevation. From the word elevate, it's above the observers. Taas po yung tingin. Next, of course, we have the angle of depression. So this one naman po is an angle formed between the horizontal to the line of sight of the observer to the object below. So again, this is the horizontal line of sight, this one. And here is the angle formed, this is what we call the angle of depression. Kung andito naman po yung line of sight, it's below the observer. Okay, so that is the horizontal line of sight. It's an angle formed between the horizontal line of sight to the line of sight of the observer to the object below. So, ito naman pong angle na na-form na yan, this is what we call the angle of depression. Okay? So, to summarize, in one figure, again, let us recall, ito po yung horizontal line of sight. You also have here the line of sight above the observer, and of course, the line of sight below the observer, and the angle formed between the horizontal line of sight and the line of sight below the observer is what we call the angle of depression, while the angle formed between the horizontal line of sight and the line of sight above the observer is the angle of depression. Okay, so ito lang po muna on this part of our video.